we will see therapeutic use of prostaglandin in obstetrics. Okay, so let's start today's topic. What do you mean by obstetrics? First, let's come to know. It is the branch of surgery that concerned with childbirth. Okay, branch of surgery that concerned with childbirth. Okay, prostaglandin used in case of abortion, induction of labor, and in postpartum hemorrhage. So let's first see one by one. Okay, so in case of obstetrics, let's first come to know in case of abortion. Okay, in case of abortion, prostaglandin which helps, that one is dinoproston. Okay, this one is given by vaginal route. We all have studied the routes of drug administration, and vaginal route is one of the route of administration of drugs. Okay, so dinoproston by vaginal route is used for induction of mild trimester abortion. Okay, trimester means 3 months. Okay, trimester means 3 months. So let's now second prostaglandin that helps in abortion is, that one is misoprostol. Okay, this one is given by orally as well as vaginally. Okay, the route of administration of drug is orally or vaginally. Okay, in combination with, this one is given with in combination with mifepristone or methotrexate. Okay, methotrexate to induce abortion. This mifepristone given of 600 mg orally 2 days before a single dose of misoprostol 400 mg. Okay, this one is for up to 7 week abortion. फर्स्ट इसे समझ लेते हैं. ओके, जैसे कि मिफेप्रिस्टोन है, उसको 600 mg हम लोग ओरली देंगे, 2 दिन पहले देंगे. किससे? मिसोप्रोस्टॉल देने से पहले. मिसोप्रोस्टॉल का कितना है डोज? 400 mg. और ये जो है अप टू 7 वीक के एबॉर्शन में यूजफुल होता है. ठीक, नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन विच हेल्प्स इन एबॉर्शन, दैट इज कार्बोप्रोस्ट. Okay, this one is given by IM route, that is intramuscularly. Okay, this one is abortion up to second trimester. Okay, trimester means 3 months, and here second, that means here trimester means 3 months, and here second trimester means means 6 months. Okay, now another one, that is Zemaprost and Dinoprost, that is also useful in inducing abortion. Okay. Now let's see another function of prostaglandin in obstetrics. That one is induction of labor. Okay. Induction of labor. Prostaglandin soften the cervix. Soften the cervix so that child easily come out from the root of cervix. Okay. Now prostaglandin is also useful in PPS. What do you mean by PPS? That one is postpartum hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage. What do you mean by postpartum hemorrhage? That one is after delivery, if vaginal bleeding occurs. Okay. If not stop vaginal bleeding, then again prostaglandin will help. Okay. That is carboprost. Okay. That is carboprost. This one is given by IM route and also misoprostol. Okay, this one is by orally to control PPS, that is postpartum hemorrhage. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.